Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so today is the last day we're going to be doing our numbers to 20. And so you'll notice that all the boxes are empty except the first one and the last one. And so we want to see if you're able to write your numbers from 1 to 20 without any help. So we're going to go one at a time and try to write the number before me to make sure that you are getting them correct. So start with 1. What's next? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last we have 20. Okay, now we're going to try our number lines, and I will do one side with you and then you're going to do the other side by yourself. So we circle the bigger number, find it on the number line, and then we're going to hop this many. 1, 2, and what did we land on? 7. Okay, let's do 6 plus 3. Which one's the bigger number? 6. And we're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. And we stopped on what? 9. Good. 8 plus 1. Which one's the bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. And then we hop one spot. And the answer is 9. Okay, we've got 4 plus 3. Which one is the bigger number? 4. So we put our pencil on 4, and we're going to hop 3 spots. 1, 2, and we end up on 7. Now, boys and girls, look, what do you notice about this problem and this problem? They are the same numbers, so what can we know about the answer? The answer is going to be the same, so we don't have to do the work on that one because we already did. Okay, so here's the stopping point for me. I want you to push pause and try the other 5 problems, and then push play and check your answers with mine. Okay, did you give it a try? What's the answer to 1 plus 8? It is 9. What's the answer to 4 plus 2? 6. What's the answer for 2 plus 6? 8. What's the answer for 5 plus 5? 10. And the answer for 9 plus 0, what'd you get? 9. All right, good job this week. And go ahead and turn this into your teacher.